What is going on, guys? Welcome back to Tech Beast. I'm Govind here. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you are healthy and safe. Today we are going to be talking about one of my React projects. Another one, yes. It's called Soapbox. So it's basically just an Instagram clone where you can just upload pictures and just you know that's it.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because
You can just upload pictures and give captions. So I know it sounds simple, but trust me, it's a lot of work. So this project is also basically React plus Firebase. Firestore host Firestore for uploading the pictures, storing the images, and the Firebase for hosting as well. So and this time we are given authentication, so that's pretty cool. So yeah, let's just jump into it. Okay, yeah, roll the intro. This is Soapbox. This is how the app looks like when you open it, right? As you can see, there's a logo. It's not my logo. Credits to anyone who made that. Yeah, thank you for that. As you can see, it's a pretty cool logo, so I chose it. As you can see, there's login to upload. As I told, there is Firebase authentication in this app. So as you can see, there are two buttons: login and sign up, which is basically created using Material UI. You can recognize it from the letter spacing itself. So the main component here is just this card, which contains the you know username first of all. Then the avatar is basically from the Material UI, and you can give it uh, what do you say, the email wala, the emails avatar pic. Okay, so that's what basically pops up here. This guy didn't have any, so it didn't pop up, it didn't show any uh, avatar image. Sorry about my English. So basically this card contains this image also. After that, username and that avatar, this image is the main thing, right? So and this is the caption, and this is the username again. So you might have probably recognized by now, but that this is the main component of our app. This is the one and only main component of our app. So uh, this is how you upload this. When you upload one picture, this is how it looks like. Okay, so I'll be uploading one picture to show you how it works. So yes, you can see there are many users signing in, posting pictures. Pretty cool. React.js is this is my friend's hangout. Karthik is one of our friends, me and Ashnas. We had a Google Meet talk a long while ago. This is one of my friends, Manu. He's pretty cool. uh, you know so these are some of the posts I already posted on Firebase, not Firebase, sorry, Soapbox, just to test it out. So as you can see, that's me. Pretty cool, epic. So let's just see how this works. I'll be giving a slide, walkthrough of this project. So I do have an email and password account synced to this app, so I'll be just logging in right now. If you are checking this out, please sign up and just check it out. So as you can see, a model popped up, which is basically from Material UI again, and I'll just sign in. Okay, so as you saw that immediately this thing popped up, right? So right now you might have understood that only if you log in you can upload your pictures. Okay, you can upload posts. So the log out option also popped up. I'll be logging out just to show you how it looks like too. So let's just try uploading a post. Okay, let's choose a file. I have a good picture here with me. It's with one of my friends. Okay, as you can see, the file has been chosen. Okay, let's just enter a caption. Me and Palit is one of my close friends. He is pretty epic. Palit vibing. Oh yeah, pretty cringe, I know. Sorry about that. Vibing at Kozhikode Beach. Okay, Kozhikode is one of the popular places in Kerala. If you want to visit, I'll certainly recommend it. There are a lot of good places in Kozhikode to visit. Kozhikode Beach. Okay. Let's just upload. Okay. Keep an eye out for the progress bar. You might have seen that. I'm sorry, I was late a bit. Okay, never mind that, but you might have seen that progress bar blue go completely blue and the picture just getting uploaded. So yeah, as you see, the picture has been uploaded, the caption has been successfully uploaded to Govind, the username of course, the what, the caption and the image, pretty cool, high quality, high resolution image. So yeah, that's how uploading a picture works. It's basically just an Instagram clone, right? So you can just give a caption and yeah, post an image. So I'll just show you what I'll just log out. So you see, it immediately logged me out of the app completely. So that's how it works. So that's pretty much the basic functionalities of my app. I mean, that's pretty much my app. Okay, once again, sorry about that. Okay, so let's just go into the database to see what it looks like. So as you can see, there are posts here. Okay, so these are the documents. If you haven't checked out my previous Chit Chat Club project of my React, my project walkthrough of Chit Chat Club, please do check it out. I'll give the link in the description and also link it in the cards above. So these are the documents which have been which are uploaded. These are basically the post. Okay, these are the posts which have been uploaded to Soapbox. So I'll choose one here, the creator of this web app Soapbox. Let's just see if that post is here. So you see, that's my first post. Okay, so this is the image, the image link and the timestamp of course and the username. Okay, so these are the four properties which is in one post. Okay, these are the four properties in one post. Okay, so just remember that. Let's just try deleting this. Okay, deleting the last post I uploaded. So me and the caption is me and Palit vibing at Code Beach. So let's find that. uh, not that, not that, not that, not that, not that, not that, sorry, not that. So this, not this, not this. Very good. Where is it? Where is it? Come on, man. Okay, something just happened, I guess. Where is it? Come on. Oh yeah, sorry about that. This one's the post I uploaded last, so it doesn't necessarily have to be in the ascending order here. Okay, in the Firebase, it's according to how Firebase itself uploads it. So you don't have to worry about that. Okay, so it's just in the app it is sorted according to how it is according to the timestamp. Okay, so it is in descending order. So the last post gets uploaded at the gets rendered at the top. So let's just try deleting this document. It's pretty simple to delete this document. Just start delete, and let's just go here, and immediately you saw how my previous post, the post I uploaded just now, got deleted off the web app completely. So that's the power of real-time database. Okay, so I've been using this uses Cloud Firestore, which is a real-time database. So yeah, that's how this complete app works. So I hope you enjoyed that. I know it might not seem interesting to you right now, but trust me, it's a lot of work. So let's just go into Soapbox GitHub repository. So as you can see, I put a the repository pretty neatly. I put all the required folders, even the build folder, if you know how React works, the npm run build and stuff, even the screenshots folder. So just try downloading this code and try it out on your own if you know React and how React works. Please don't try please don't use my Firebase stuff. The Firebase code and stuff, it doesn't work. Use it on your own. Watch and learn from other YouTubers, as I said earlier too. So these are the screenshots of the app. I tidied it up pretty neatly. Okay, so yeah, just clone it out on your own and see how it goes, and do let me know in the comments how it goes for you. So yeah, all the links are given in the description below as always, even the source code, everything. We don't want anything from you. Just hit that like button and subscribe. It's of course free. And yeah, cheers mate, thanks.